Welcome to our Advanced Manufacturing Center, a hub of precision and efficiency for premium audio products. Our facility is equipped with state-of-the-art automated production lines and high-precision robotics, ensuring that every component of our earbuds meets the most exacting standards. To guarantee superior sound performance, we implement rigorous acoustic testing and data-driven quality control at every stage. From the initial SMT process to the final manual inspection by our skilled technicians, we focus on every detail to deliver excellence. Finally, our streamlined logistics and packaging ensure that your orders are handled with care and dispatched for rapid global distribution. Partner with us for reliable quality and industry-leading manufacturing expertise.